Did you know that solo female travel has skyrocketed by 59% over the last few years? Yet nearly 1 in 4 women feel unsafe when traveling alone? In this video, I'm going to share 10 essential safety tips every woman needs to know before hitting the road solo. Whether you're planning your first solo trip or you're a seasoned traveler, safety is always a top priority. With these tips, you'll not only feel more secure, but empowered to explore the world on your terms. I put together this guide based on research, personal experience, and insights from other solo female travelers. If you're ready, let's dive in. Imagine arriving in a city where you instantly feel uneasy because you didn't do your homework. One traveler shared how choosing the wrong neighborhood in a foreign city led to a stressful and unsafe situation. Always research safe areas, local customs, and recent news about your destination. Websites like Lonely Planet and TripAdvisor can be lifesavers. What if something goes wrong and no one knows where you are? A friend I know got help quickly because she had shared her itinerary with a friend who noticed when she didn't check in. Make sure someone back home knows your plans and can alert authorities if something seems off. Over 60% of travelers face some kind of issue on their trips. What's your backup plan? One woman who broke her leg abroad was relieved she had insurance that covered all her medical expenses. Travel insurance can cover medical emergencies, theft, and even trip cancellations, giving you peace of mind. How safe is the place you're staying in? A solo traveler shared a story about a bad experience in a poorly reviewed hostel. Always check reviews on sites like booking.com or Airbnb and choose accommodations with high ratings, especially for solo female travelers. Standing out could make you a target, so what should you do? A traveler noticed that she got less unwanted attention when she dressed modestly, in line with local customs. Avoid wearing flashy clothes or expensive jewelry. Dressing like a local helps you stay under the radar. Ever get that gut feeling that something's off? One woman avoided a potentially dangerous situation by trusting her instincts and leaving immediately. If something doesn't feel right, trust your gut and remove yourself from the situation. What if you need help, but don't know who to call? A solo traveler needed emergency assistance, but didn't have the local emergency number saved. Always have a list of emergency contacts, including local emergency numbers, your country's embassy, and someone back home. Is your ride really as safe as you think? A solo traveler felt uneasy during a taxi ride and wished she had taken more precautions. Use reputable transportation services like Uber or licensed taxis. Sit in the back seat and share your ride details with a friend. A friendly chat can sometimes lead to unwanted attention. A traveler learned the hard way not to reveal too much about her plans to strangers. Be friendly, but cautious. Avoid sharing personal details like where you're staying or your itinerary. How often do you check in when you're away? A solo traveler felt safer and more connected by regularly updating her family about her whereabouts. Regularly check in with someone back home, especially if you're changing locations frequently. Traveling alone as a woman can be an incredibly rewarding experience, but safety should always be your top priority. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my video titled Solo Travel Packing Hacks for a Stress-Free Vacation. It's packed with more advice to make your trips smoother and safer. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss out.